We're gonna make sushi, but we don't have everything that we need, so we're just gonna make hand rolls. Hand rolls, basic, you just need your basic sushi ingredients. So let's get down to it. Very basic thing, you can make this at home, you can make it with your kids, you can enjoy it. This is the ultimate play with your food, and you'll see exactly what I mean now. So I just want to highlight something to you, the reason why you want to keep your knives super sharp. Because I'm going to be cutting this amazing piece of tuna. This thing is fresh, it came off the boat yesterday. But tuna is well, I don't want to say it's a finicky fish to cut, but you want a sharp knife. So, cutting tuna, blunt knife. You have to really get in there and try and get it, and you can see the cuts are messy, it's not great, right? Cutting tuna with a sharp knife, much different scenario. You have a look, very clean cut, very nice, very precise. Have a gander at the difference. So, now for the uncut preparation of a hand roll. Super simple, super easy. Your kids can do it, your wives can do it, your husbands can do it, whoever can't cook the worst can do it. That was a double negative, but it's easy enough to do. Cutting it into quarters. Wet your hands. Grab a bit of sushi rice, just enough to sort of fit more or less here, and then squish it over your little quarter. If you take too much, take a little away, put it back in the bowl, whatever the case may be. Cool. Always keep your hands wet because this stuff is sticky. Anyway, so I love mayonnaise. My wife hates it, so I'm sticking it in. Gives it a nice little bit of tanginess to it. Put your mayo, put your protein, which is this lovely fresh tuna. Put in some cucumber. Put down some avo. With a wet finger, run it along the seam that you've left open. Here we're going to enjoy it. So, soy sauce with wasabi. I like a little bit of ginger on mine, and eat it. Tastes good, homemade. So that's it for this episode, and thanks for watching, and remember, play with your food.